afternoon, sir. I will be discussing about the nature and scope of HRIS. So, first question is, what is the need of HRIS in the modern organization? Number 2, the applicants and utilities of HRIS. Number 3, the benefits of HRIS. And lastly, the barriers to HRIS. So first, the need of HRIS in modern organization is to help in recording and analyzing employees and organization information, and also documents such as employee handbooks, emergency evacuation, and safety procedures. It also helps to organization to keep an accurate, complete, and updated database that can be retrieved from reports and manuals. Number 2, the HRIS application and utilities. So first is the application is the employee self-service portal. Second, payroll. Third, workforce management. Fourth, recruitment and hiring. Fifth, benefits administration. And lastly, the talent management. These capabilities are often delivered through individual modules that form a unified suite of HR tools. HRIS can reduce the potential for human error and spend less time manually inputting your data. So, free yourself from endless manual HR tasks, reduce admin, and remove compliance risk, and guaranteed compliance. So the third is, what are the benefits of HRIS? So an HRIS can support fast, accurate, and automated processing across this function. First, people and performance management. Second, leave and absence management. Third, payroll. Fourth, compensation and benefits. 5, talent acquisition and management. 6, workforce experience management. And lastly, HR and people analytics. So fourth is the barriers to HRIS. The challenges towards effective implementation of HRIS are related with the meeting of employees' expectation. So first is loss of personal interaction between HR and the people of the organization. Second, developing an information culture. Third, or lastly, to elaborate an effective change management approach. Other most important barriers and challenges towards effective execution of HRIS are: first, top management reluctance. Second, privacy issues for employees. Third, organizational internal resistance to implement HRIS, and the conversion costs from the traditional approach to HRIS. Means if the top managers take initiative and employees stop resistance to change for any reasons, the HRIS can easily be implemented in the most of the firms. Thank you.